Hi, today we will discuss about the enzymes, which is also known as biocatalyst. What are the enzymes? Enzymes are proteins that act as biological catalysts. Catalysts are the substances that accelerate chemical reactions. Enzymes act upon molecules and these molecules are called substrate. Enzymes are very specific to the substrate. The enzymes convert the substrate into different molecules known as the products. Let me see how the enzymes and substrate bind to each other. As we are seeing, the enzymes are the protein molecules and it has the specific three-dimensional structure and where the substrate can fit. This is also known as the lock and key model where each enzyme has a specific substrate only. So it can fix properly that enzyme and substrate bond and the enzymes are very specific to particular substrate. So as you are seeing in the pic that substrate structure three-dimensional and the enzyme structure can fit properly into each other. Right? And that's why the enzymes are very specific to the substrate on which they act. Let me understand the mechanism of the enzymes, how it is working. Now this is the first model where the enzymes have the active site where the substrate bind and the two or more than two substrates will bind to this active site depending upon what kind of the reaction it is. Now as the substrate bind to the enzyme substrate complex is formed and this enzyme substrate complex will bring the changes in the structure of the enzyme, a minor change, and because of that this substrate, the two or more substrate which are there, it will come closer and there is a bond formation happen between the substrate and that is how the product is produced. Once the product is produced, it gets separate from the enzyme. Now enzyme is free to get bound with the substrate. So here we are saying that enzyme does not take part into the reaction, but it is just to facilitate the reaction to take place. This is the second model of how the enzymes work. Now some of the enzymes combine with the substrate, enzyme substrate complex is formed and this enzyme substrate complex is producing the effect on the substrate that the substrate molecules get separate from each other, the bond between the substrates get broken down and the two or more than two products are produced from the substrate. So this is how the enzymes work in the second way. So as we have seen, either enzyme bring the two or more than two substrate together and combine this substrate and form the one product, one or two products like combination reaction. And in this second model we had seen enzymes will break the substrate into two or more than two substrates. That is a decomposition reaction you are seeing here. But in both the ways you are seeing the enzymes is not taking part into the reaction. It is just bringing the change into the substrate. It is making the reaction to take place in the normal body temperature and the pH. There are various factors affecting the enzyme activities. As enzymes are made up of proteins, their actions are sensitive to change in many physiochemical factors such as pH, temperature, substrate, concentration, etc. Let me see some of the common enzymes which are essential for the digestion of the food in the human being. Uh, Carbohydrates are digested by the different enzymes like amylase. Amylase enzyme is produced in the saliva called salivary amylase, and amylase enzyme produced in the pancreas called pancreatic amylase. Then other enzymes which digest the carbohydrates are sucrase, isomaltase, maltase, lactase, etc. These convert the carbohydrate into the simple sugar called the glucose. Next important digestive enzyme which digests the protein is pepsin, trypsin, peptidase. Pepsin is produced in the stomach, trypsin is produced by the pancreas, and these protein digestive enzymes digest the protein into the amino acid. Lipase enzymes digest the fat into fatty acid and the glycerol. There are, based on the functions performed by these enzymes, there are 6 categories of enzymes are there. Oxidoreductase enzymes will function the oxidation reduction reaction, it take part. Transferase enzymes will responsible for the group transfer. Hydrolysis enzymes are responsible for hydrolysis reaction, that is transfer of functional group to water. Lysis enzymes are addition or removal of groups to form double bonds. Isomerase enzymes are responsible for isomerization, that is intermolecular group transfer. Ligase enzymes responsible for joining of two molecules. Hope so this information is very useful to you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.